Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to create your account on REDnote. In the first, you should to follow me step by step. We will go to REDnote as you see and you will click here. Then in this page, you will find here login and you will enter. Here you will go to your code or to your country code. Here you will choose any country you want. You will know your country from codes here as you see. For example, for United States, you will choose this country code of +1 as you see, and you will add your phone number here. Then you will get verification code and you will log into your app. But for the people who didn't get their code verification in their phone number, you can choose the other option to log in on the application of REDnote. You will go to this sign here of Google as you see. Then you will click here on agreed and continued here. And then you will find the list of all emails that you have. You can choose any email to log in on the application of REDnote. So I will choose now my email here. As you see here, I choose my email. You will click here continue. Then we will wait a moment in this page. You will choose here your gender, for example female or male. You can choose your age, and when you will end this, you will click on next here as you see. And here you can choose your interests. You can select any interests that you want in this page here. And when you will end this interests, you will click here on start exploring as you see, and you will click here next. And then you will find this first page of your application of REDnote as you see. So that's all. That's how you can create your account on the application of REDnote. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.